Hello all, welcome to my channel. I am back with an interesting recipe which is cabbage spinach stir fry. It is super simple, super healthy and super yummy too. So let's get into the video. So now for the ingredients, I have taken one medium sized onion sliced, one medium sized tomato cut into cubes, 2 to 3 green chilies finely chopped, few curry leaves, 2 to 3 garlic pods finely chopped. Garlic is completely optional for this recipe. 1 bowl of sliced cabbage, you can also grate it, and half bowl of finely chopped spinach. And also I have taken some basics like jeera seeds, salt and turmeric. So I have taken a pan into which I have added about 1 tablespoon of oil. The oil is nice and hot. To this I am going to add some cumin seeds. Once they splutter, I am going to add the finely chopped garlic, curry leaves and the green chilies. Now I am going to add the finely sliced onions to this. To this I am going to add some salt. Saute the onions until they are translucent. The onions are translucent. To this I am going to add the 1 bowl of cabbage, giving it a good mix. Adding some turmeric powder and giving it a mix. I am going to add little bit of water to this. And I am going to put the lid on for around 3 to 4 minutes. After around 3 to 4 minutes, I am going to add the cut spinach to this. Also going to add the cubed tomatoes. I am adding the tomatoes at this point. If we add it initially, it will become too soft and soggy. Since I want the cubes to remain as it is, I am adding the tomatoes at this point of time. Giving it a good mix. Adding some more salt to this. I have already added salt while sauteing the onions. Again, I am going to cover it with a lid and leave it for around 3 to 4 minutes. At this point, you may also add coriander powder and chili powder and so on according to your choice. But I have not added anything. I have just added only salt and turmeric. So after around 3 to 4 minutes, you can see that the spinach, tomatoes are well cooked. You can see that there is still some water at the bottom. So I am going to leave this open as it is for the water to get evaporated. Now at this point I am going to add a pinch of sugar to this. This is optional. I have added the sugar now and I am giving it a mix. And I will wait for all the water to get evaporated well so that this becomes completely dry. So the water has got completely evaporated. So I am going to put off the stove and transfer this to a serving bowl. So that's all guys, I hope you liked this recipe. Do try this at home and leave your comments below. This goes great with roti as well as rice. So don't forget to hit a like, share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to Sizzling with Your YouTube channel. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram, and I'll see you all in the next video. Until then, thanks for watching and bye bye.